Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of Control Systems. This part accounts for 2/3 of the subject Signal Processing and Control, with the subject code ELE3 SPC or ELE5 FPC. My name is Song Wang. I'm responsible for delivering this part of the subject. First, I would like to introduce a bit about myself. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Engineering, and my office is in the Beth Gleason building on level 4, and the room number is 443. And on the slide, you will see my telephone number and my email address. I believe some of you may have known me, and for those who haven't met me before, I would like to tell you I'm very approachable and I'm always willing to help students as much as I can. For this subject, all the material that Dennis and I have been delivering will be available on the website, and the website used for this subject is LMS. So you will find all the necessary material on LMS. For the rest of the semester, we will be concentrating on just control systems. So that will take 8 weeks. All the lectures are pre-video recorded, and I will upload them before the lecture takes place. So you can watch the video at the time you want. We will also have some labs to perform, and labs are very important because during the lab time you will have an opportunity to reinforce what you have learned in the lecture. And for control systems part, all the lectures align with the labs. And we also have some tutorials. The time of the tutorial will be advised via email. We have a textbook for the subject, and this is a good textbook. It's written by Dolph and Bishop, and the title of the textbook is Modern Control Systems. It's the 12th edition. I would also like to recommend a mathematical textbook, and it is called Matrix Analysis. For those students who are interested in knowing more about matrix operations, this is an excellent textbook. Matrix operations are important for our subject when we get to the part of state variable models or state space representations. On this slide, you will see a series of topics that will be covered for the rest of the semester. So in today's lecture, I will be introducing control systems. So that is the first point listed on this slide. I will also go over some of the mathematical models that you have learned, but we will also be learning a new model, which is called the state space representation of a linear control system. This model can also be termed as a state variable model. On the 4th and 5th points of this slide, you will see control system characteristics and control system performance. These two parts belong to the analysis of a control system. Another important component of control systems is the stability analysis, and we will be learning 2 stability criteria. The first one is called the Routh-Hurwitz criterion, and the second one is called the Nyquist criterion. Stability analysis is a must-learn and must-exam item for any control system related subject. There is one last thing that I would like to mention about the lecture topics, that is the frequency response methods. In this part, we will be looking at Bode plots as well as other graphical ways to represent a closed-loop feedback control system in the frequency domain.